How good's that? Oh, yep, there we go. There we go. That's a little pontoon. Oh, he's alright. Well, good morning guys. It's been a while since I've been out on the water. Work and uni and everything's got in the way, so I haven't filmed the video for a little while, so hopefully we can make it happen today. It's the middle of winter, things are a bit cold, things are a bit slow, but we're back up in this system. I was here a couple of months ago before the floods, and yeah, hopefully we can make it happen and get onto some fish, so let's get into it. Little tiny Hulk Production swim crab. So these things look really, really good for all sorts of species, deep, shallow, whatever. So we're going to go around the canals and skip some pontoons and stuff with this. We might have to go to a hidden weight system on that one, but they look really, really cool, and hopefully I can get some action underwater of it, because I think they're really, really cool. They're going to work really, really well. So let's see how we go, nice and slow today. Oh yeah, that works really, really well. I like it a lot. New rod too, so this is a 661 SF, so it's the lighter 6'6" rod. It's like a 1 to 3 kilo rod. Yep. Oh. On it. He's on it. Damn. First nib on the spoon crab. I'm seeing a lot of bait up in the shallows, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a little soft prawn there in the 50 mil and just skip it behind these little pontoons and stuff. I've already got one this morning, but I think I wasn't filming for it, so I'll see if we can make it another and it wasn't just a fluke. But yeah, all the bait's right up in the backs of these pontoons up here. Oh god, if I get a fish I'm screwed. Oh, it's a hit. There's a little tap. Oh. How good's that? Just seen him just hitting those little banks. Oh, it's a tiny little fella. I've set the dogs. Just a little fella on these soft prawn. There you go, just a little fella. Sight casting in the winter, hey? Oh, another one. Yep, same spot. Oh, he's fighting a little bit harder this one. Oh, he's wrapped up. Look at that. Chunk. No size yet, but... Oh, straight away. Oh. So I've just got a 2,500 size Vanford Dobbins Fury Series 661 SF, 4-pound leader, I think it's 6-pound braid, and the little 50mm soft prawn in the white. So we've got a top of the tide early morning and starting to run out. But what we've got up in these shallows is a lot of little jelly prawns skipping about. And I'm just plucking little class up in the backs of these pontoons where the fish are cruising. And I'm up to 3, so now only 2 on camera, fortunately. I'm going to skip right up into the shallows just to start the morning off. The old tranquility, eh? Should be the no fish boat. Oh. Yep, there we go. Spoke too soon. Oh no, he's wrapped me. Get out of there. Just skipped right up to the back. Another one. It's another little fella. No size yet, but we're getting numbers. There's another undersized little fella. It's better than nothing though, I suppose. Not only does this replicate a little bit of prawn or whatever, it replicates bread as well, the lighter colour as well. Which is the staple diet of these canal brim. Bread and little prawns. That's basically it. Oh, bacon smashed up the back there. If I can get a cast up there, should be a good shot. Oh no. Oh no. It's over 2 lines there. Please don't be a fish. Please don't be a fish. Oh thank God. So the shallow water bites died down a little bit. I think that cut, there just wasn't that many little jelly prawns around, so that's alright. We're going to head up the system. We're going to hit some deeper structures with some new lures. You saw a little bit of a glimpse of it earlier. Hopefully we can convert it into some fish. So let's see how we go. Oh. Too much weed. Too much weed. Too much. Go for a little bit longer. There's some fish under there, I can see it. Yep, there you go. Oh, I dropped him. Damn it. Wasn't paying attention. There we go. That's a little pontoon. Oh, he's alright. He's only a little fella. Oh, there we go. On the smaller soft prawn, I went back down to that size. There you go, just a little fella. Nothing crazy today, nothing crazy big. Nevertheless, good fun out here. Good fun out here, that's for sure.
Oh, you come off. Tiny little trevally or something. There we go, yes. Off this pontoon. There we go. Just another little fella. This is the average size today. Nothing too crazy. Good fun though. Good fun.